Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's. Right, what do we got here? The 120. It's about to go in here and come apart. We've got the beige machine on the hoist. And we've got some weird shit happening over here. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Toyota junk. So yeah, I've been buying more toys, just more parts cars. I'll get back into wrecking a few cars just because I need to build some E21s, but to build some E21s I need suspension. So one of them is getting a special suspension that you'll see in coming time. That suspension's probably going to go under one because then it's 5x120 and I can run a big set of wheels. I've got an idea of the wheels I'd like to run and I think they'll fit on that suspension under the body kit. I'll probably even know who's got the set of wheels. And I'm about to do some work for him too. So yeah, that suspension's going to go probably under the 83. And why I'd use this shell, it's got a dead rear corner. Alright. But it's got decent B pillars. See this? They're always gone here. It's got a decent roof. And it's got a little bit under the windscreen, but not a huge amount. Still got all its pop-outs and stuff in it. So the idea is I want to build one. I'd like to build one, and this one's not a bad shell. Needs some boot floor work. Needs a little bit of roof work and a little bit of windscreen work, but the rest of the shell's pretty decent. A little bit of rust in here. But we scored, and this is the one I'll probably keep. We scored this one, and I've got another couple to pick up. This one's really, really rusty. But, right, you've got to understand, I'm using doors, but I'm not using the complete door. So that has a good passenger door. This one has a really good driver's door. I'm using just the skeleton, and that's it for the E21s that I'm about to build. This got some decent, it's got a really decent roof on it, other than this shit. So we'll see what the skin's like. This one's got to come apart. This is 4-cylinder manual. No pedal box, but that's fine. I don't mind. I've got the pedal box. Oh. We need more bonnet skins, just skeletons. So I've got 2 really good bonnet skeletons on the other cars. So I probably don't have to use this one. This one looks dead anyway. But yeah, M10, typical crap. It's a bunch of stuff in here which I'll take out. It's a Henna car. And this one's a 1980 or 81. I think it's an 81. So yeah. So I'll take all the stuff out that I like to keep, like little stuff. And I'll start filling my shelves with little parts again. And then the doors, before I scrap these shelves, I have to take roof off and I take any pillar cuts that are any decent. I've got anyone that's after E21 stuff. I have wheel arches brand new. I have some stuff. I have a fair bit of stuff actually. But anyone that's in Australia and wants E21 parts, I'll be able to do cuts off the shelves that I'm going to cut up. I've probably got... I have a car which is factory Phoenix to pick up. And it's got dead B pillars from sitting in a paddock for a long time. So I might actually cut a bunch of steel out of this one and put it into the orange car because it's a factory Phoenix orange car. And then I could build a Jägermeister. And that was the idea. So I've got some really nice straight bumpers. I've got some Valances and stuff. Guards, I've definitely got guards. So anyone that needs guards, I'll be able to supply guards. This car's really bad. But still parts. Fuel tanks. Look how good that quarter is. And they cut into the best panel on the car to cut the boot off. Yeah. And this was today's purchase. I need a shell for mock-up. And I said it yesterday, I could really do with an E30 shell. And then a gentleman I know around the corner put this up last night. So I'll sell the twin cam conversion out of it. I'm about to start it, see how it runs. So yeah. It's got some black door cards and it's got a headrest rear seat. So parts out of that are going up as well. It has a full exhaust system. It's manual. Has Elmatic shifter. Has a bunch of good stuff. So I'll start parting this one out this week as well. So yeah, any Aussie guys, if you want any parts, let me know. You know the drill. Nice. And that one, I don't know what I'll do with the shell once I'm done, but it's going to be a bare rolling shell for a while. And I'll show you the conversion that I'm going to set up in it. Thanks.